Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Road to Ramsay. Today we'll be cooking the most amazing salmon alla Mediterranean, which is pan-fried salmon fillet with olive oil, onion, peppers, mushrooms, garlic and tomato with cream and wine. As you can see here, I've got a bowl full of all the nitpicky ingredients such as the mushrooms, the peppers, the onion, the tomatoes, and a bit of cayenne chili pepper in there as well, about a teaspoon to add a bit of heat to the dish. We're also going to use vegetable stock and tomato passata. So first off, you're going to want to take a nice hot pan on medium to high heat, and add some nice good quality extra virgin olive oil. As you can see here, I've got some decent quality olive oil that I actually bought back from Italy a couple of years ago with my family. My mum brought it back, and I'm just using it here. Swirl it around the pan, nice, get it all lubed up, nice and good. We want to keep the salmon skin intact because that is one of the best parts of the fish. You also want to generously season your pan with salt and with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Generously season this as to add more flavour to the food. Very nice as you can see here. Sprinkle it on. No need for measuring devices, just sprinkle it on nice and good. Now once this is done, you're going to want to add your salmon fillets. As you can see here, they're going to shrivel up a little bit, but they will still they will remain juicy and intact. Add these to the pan and let them heat up and cook until about as you can see here, the white meat has just started to move up. Flip the salmon, beautiful, fucking glorious salmon. As you can see here, as I moved it, it is stuck to the pan right now, but we're going to fix that quickly now because hot meat sticks to the surface. We're going to add wine to deglaze the pan and shake it around, and it perfectly unsticks the salmon. Add a bit more flavour, keeps it nice and moist. We don't want any dry fish here, do we? Nice moist salmon is what we're going for. Perfect, beautiful, gorgeous. Now take your salmon away from here. Don't let it cook all the way through, just until all the sides are nice and pink, and then we're going to want to put them all into a nice metal tray and stick them in a 180 degree preheated oven for 20 minutes. Coat them with more of the wine as well to keep it nice and moist. A good serving of the wine to keep the fish from going dry. Now, instead of throwing away this pan, instead of washing the pan, which we're going to add all our vegetables and nitpicky stuff straight into the frying pan. Beautiful here, fucking beautiful. Don't add the garlic yet. The garlic is on the side. So once this has all been scraped in, add a bit more olive oil so it doesn't burn. And then shake, saute all the vegetables. Saute all the vegetables for a good few minutes. Now, once this is done, as you can tell, add your garlic to it. Add your garlic. We're not going to add any of the passata or anything until we know all of this is cooked well. And we know that when the mushrooms have started to shrivel up. So once we mix in our garlic here, we're going to add the tomato passata, around 450 to 500 mils of it, as well as a bit of our vegetable stock, which you can get from cooking any vegetables in boiling water for a bit. I use green beans and broccoli. To make some vegetable stock. Stir this in, as well as the vegetable stock, as you can see here. And let this reduce. This is very important. Let this reduce whilst the salmon is cooking in the oven for around an extra 15 minutes, because this up until this point will have taken about 5 minutes. Add a little cream to it to add a little bit of the orange to make it like a nice orangey colour. You don't have to do this if you don't want. I just like the richness it adds. Adds to the dish. Now, as you can see here, we're going to add a bit of butter to finish it off. See, it's reduced a ton. Stir it in nice to get it melt, which adds more richness, as I previously said. Yeah, look at it, all fucking beautiful. Now, as you can see, from the top, it has reduced a fuck ton. This, the butter and everything, it's reduced a fuck ton, and this is what you should be left with. Place it up, put the salmon on top of the sauce, and it should be thick, nice, rich. A Mediterranean sauce. Yeah, salmon alla Mediterranean. thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It fucking tastes amazing. It looks amazing, and it fucking tastes amazing. Sorry for the camera quality again. I'll eventually get a new camera, hopefully, if I end up getting some money from this. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get a new camera and make better cooking videos, because this is fucking amazing, and I love it. So make sure you subscribe if you enjoy this type of content, and see you guys later.